Ever stepped onto a freezing cold floor on a winter morning? Brr.
I can definitely relate to that.
Makes you want to crawl right back into bed, right?
Absolutely.
Well, today we're diving into a solution that could banish those chills for good underfloor heating. You provided some really intriguing insights on this, so let's get cozy and explore what makes this technology so appealing.
Sounds good to me.
The source we sent over dives right into that sensory experience, consistent warmth starting right at your feet. No more huddling around radiators, huh? What were your initial thoughts on that?
Yeah, I think the source really emphasizes that sensory experience, like imagine stepping onto a floor and feeling that warmth spread evenly across the entire surface, no more cold spots. It really taps into that desire for comfort, especially as winter approaches and, we all just want to feel cozy.
It's funny you should say that, right? Because it's like this subconscious thing. I mean, we don't walk around thinking about our feet being cold all the time. But when you experience that consistent warmth, you realize what you've been missing.
Totally. It's like a subtle shift, but it makes a huge difference.
But it's not just about comfort, is it? It seems like there are some practical advantages to underfloor heating as well.
Definitely. One of the big ones the source highlights is energy efficiency, right? So traditional radiators, they heat the air around them, which then rises and can create these hot and cold spots in a room. But with underfloor heating, the heat radiates from the ground up, warming the entire space more evenly and potentially saving money on your heating bills because you don't need to crank up the thermostat as high.
I see. So it's like tricking your thermostat into thinking it needs to do less work.
Yeah. In a way, yeah. Because you're actually heating the room more efficiently.
And did you notice they also touched upon the aesthetic part? Like no more radiators taking up wall space, giving it a more modern look. So it's functional and stylish. Bonus.
Exactly. It speaks to that trend of wanting our homes to be these havens of comfort and style, right? I think underfloor heating plays into that beautifully.
It really does make you think, though, beyond the immediate comfort and the sleek design, what kind of impact could this technology have on how we interact with our living spaces? And on a larger scale, how might it influence energy consumption patterns as more people adopt this technology? That's definitely something to ponder.
It is. I mean, imagine a future where underfloor heating is the norm. It could really change the game in terms of sustainability and energy efficiency.
Exactly. Yeah. You know what? That's what I love about these deep dives. We uncover all these fascinating aspects of a topic, sparking so many new questions and ideas.
I agree. Always fun to explore these ideas.
Absolutely. Well, on that note, thanks for another insightful deep dive. Until next time, stay warm, everyone.
You too.